I'm Alex.
And I'm Ria. Today we're exploring artificial intelligence and its main types.
AI is revolutionizing our lives in countless ways, and it comes in several different forms.
We'll quickly break down machine learning, reinforcement learning, supervised learning, and unsupervised learning.
Machine learning is the foundation for most modern AI systems.
Instead of programming specific rules, we let computers learn from data directly.
It's like showing a computer thousands of cat photos and letting it figure out what makes a cat a cat.
In supervised learning, we train models with labeled data.
Imagine showing a computer fruit images labeled apple, banana, and orange. It learns to recognize each fruit's features.
Later, when it sees a new fruit image, it can identify what it is based on what it learned.
This powers spam filters, speech recognition, and medical diagnosis tools. Unsupervised learning uses data without labels.
The system has to find patterns on its own, like grouping similar customers together for marketing.
It can discover hidden patterns humans might miss completely.
Reinforcement learning works through rewards and penalties.
Like training a dog with treats, AI agents perform actions and get rewards when they do well.
This is how AI mastered games like chess and powers self-driving cars.
To recap, machine learning is computers learning from data.
Supervised learning uses labeled data. Unsupervised finds patterns in unlabeled data.
And reinforcement learning improves through trial, error, and rewards.
These approaches are often combined in sophisticated AI systems.
Thanks for joining our quick tour of AI types.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe my channel.